Hello, my name is Tunde Agbola. This is Feed and Raw Materials Quality Tips. Today, let me talk to you about demanding for certificates or results of analysis. The moment you request for somebody to supply you one raw material or the other, maybe to your feed mill or to your warehouse, the best thing for you to do the moment the truck arrives is to demand for certificate of analysis or maybe result of analysis from the laboratory. When you demand for certificate of analysis, you are passing an information to the supplier that you know what the standard should be and you know what you are looking for. If you don't do this, it means you are so open. It means you are not protected. It means anything can enter into your warehouse or your feed mill, which means you can produce your feed with any raw materials. And if you keep doing this, it means the quality of your feed will never be assured. It means the quality is not what you can beat your chest about. So it is better to get used to asking or requesting for the certificate of analysis from the supplier. However, the best thing also for you is to pick the samples out of the one that was brought to your warehouse. Even before offloading, get the sample from different aspects of that truck, from the upper side, from the lower side, from the front, from the back, from the middle, and target even the bags underneath, so that you will now pack everything together and pick the sample that you are taking to the laboratory. That is maybe between 300 to 500 grams. That should be enough for various analysis that is going to be done. And the fact is that will now be placed side by side with what the supplier claimed he brought. So with this, you'll be able to make the decision to know whether you are supposed to accept the raw materials or not. So the short lesson you have learned now is that you request for the certificate of analysis, then pick the samples randomly, well distributed, and take to the laboratory for various analysis. And when it comes to raw materials for poultry industry, for poultry feed, you will have to be targeting proximate analysis that will give you information about crude fat, crude protein, crude fiber, ash content, the moisture content, and the metabolizable energy. Then you can also take it further by requesting for calcium and phosphorus and some other minerals as you think you need. But with all this, you'll be able to know whether you are supposed to accept that sample or not. But if you don't do that, if you think you can just accept the raw materials, sometimes maybe based on trust or the fact that the person that is supplying you had supplied the good one before, your business may be heading for a doom. So the best thing for you is to always request for certificate of analysis, which you can easily use your own analysis to compare, so that with that you'll be able to beat your chest about the category of quality of the raw materials being supplied to you. Till I come your way again, I will want you to keep listening to Feed Quality Talks. I'm Tunde Agbola. Till next time we meet, I say bye.